We have another method of preparation of halogen derivatives from hydrocarbons only, but in this example we have taken particularly alkenes, for which carbon-carbon double bond is the functional group. As you know students, there are two types of alkenes. One is symmetrical alkenes and other is unsymmetrical alkenes. In this also addition of HX, examples are HBr, HI or HCl. We can take examples of HBr, HI or HCl for addition of HX. And the meaning of unsymmetrical alkenes. Unsymmetrical alkenes means alkenes in which there are different number of carbon atoms on both sides of double bond. For example, suppose in this example carbon-carbon double bond is there. On right hand side only one carbon atom, and on left hand side there are two carbon atoms. This is the example propene. Such alkene is called as unsymmetrical alkene. Unsymmetrical means different number of carbon atoms on both sides of double bonds. On left hand side there are two carbon atoms, on right hand side there is a one carbon atom, or vice versa. In such unsymmetrical alkene, addition of hydrogen halide takes place, and this addition takes place according to Markovnikov's rule. This is very interesting rule, students. Markovnikov's rule. Now I'll explain the statement of Markovnikov's rule, and then we will see the example and product. Actually what happens in this particular example. Markovnikov's rule. The statement of Markovnikov's rule is when unsymmetrical reagent. What is the meaning of unsymmetrical reagent? When we split this reagent, we get H plus Br minus, H plus I minus, H plus Cl minus. Therefore, we get two different radicals or positive and negatively charged radicals. Such type of radicals or such type of compounds are called as unsymmetrical reagent. Unsymmetrical reagents gets added to unsymmetrical alkene. When unsymmetrical reagent gets added to unsymmetrical alkene, then negative part of reagent gets attached to the carbon atom having less number of hydrogen atoms attached to it. I will repeat the statement. When unsymmetrical reagent is added to unsymmetrical alkene, at that time negative part of that reagent gets attached to unsaturated carbon atom having less number of hydrogen atoms attached to it, and by default positively charged hydrogen will go to unsaturated carbon atom having more number of hydrogen atoms. In this case, students, if we will see example of Markovnikov's rule, propene plus HBr, that is hydrogen bromide, we will have two products, and both products we will see. I told you there are two possibilities. Hydrogen will get attached to this third carbon atom or this first carbon atom from right hand side, and bromine will get attached to second carbon atom. In another case, hydrogen will get attached to central carbon atom and bromine will get attached to carbon number 1, numbering from right hand side. Then we will see which product is according to Markovnikov's rule. Whatever product we will get according to Markovnikov's rule, that product will be major, and another product by default it will be minor. So I told you negative part of reagent, therefore this bromine and this will be H plus. Negative part of reagent gets attached to unsaturated carbon atom having less number of hydrogen atoms attached to it. Here this carbon atom contains only one hydrogen atom. This carbon atom contains two hydrogen atoms. Therefore, according to Markovnikov's rule, bromine will go to this central carbon atom and we will get the product CH3 CH Br single bond CH3 1 2 3 or 1 2 3 second carbon atom contains bromine, therefore 2 bromo propane. In another case, opposite addition will be there. Means bromine will get attached to this carbon number 1 and hydrogen will get attached to carbon number 2 and product will be CH3 CH2 single bond CH2 Br. Bromine atom is present on first carbon atom. There are total 3 carbon atoms in compound. Therefore, this product will be 1 bromo propane. As I said earlier, the product whichever is obtained according to Markovnikov's rule, this product will be major product, and the product which is obtained according to opposite the Markovnikov's rule, that product will be minor product. So, in this video, students, we have explained the meaning of unsymmetrical alkenes, the statement and explanation of Markovnikov's rule, and the example, and we saw the major product 2 bromopropane and minor product 1 bromopropane. Methods of preparation of alkyl halides from alkenes, that is carbon-carbon double bond, and particular example unsymmetrical alkenes, addition of HX. Anti-Markovnikov's rule. Right now we explained Markovnikov's rule, in which negative part of reagent gets attached to the unsaturated carbon atom having less number of hydrogen atoms attached to it. Students, when peroxide is used in the same example, means when peroxide, example is hydrogen peroxide H2O2, when peroxide is used in the example of Markovnikov's rule, this addition takes place exactly in opposite way, means that is also called as Markovnikov's rule. Let us explain this anti-Markovnikov's rule with previous example only. Our previous example was CH3 CH double bond CH2, that is prop 1 in or propene plus HBr. But I told you, in presence of peroxide, in presence of peroxide, this Markovnikov's rule exactly behaves in opposite way, that is also called as anti-Markovnikov's rule or peroxide effect. What is the statement of anti-Markovnikov's rule? In presence of peroxide, negative part of the reagents get attached to the unsaturated carbon having more number of hydrogen atoms attached to it. Therefore, Br minus is the negative part of this reagent. These 2 carbon atoms are unsaturated carbon atoms. This carbon atom contains 1 hydrogen. This carbon atom contains 2 hydrogen atoms. Therefore, bromine will get attached to this carbon atom and hydrogen will get attached to this central carbon atom. As previous example, we had 2 products. Here also we get 2 products. One will be major, whichever will be according to our anti-Markovnikov's rule, because we have used peroxide, and another will be minor product. So we will have 2 products, CH3 CH2. If bromine gets attached to first carbon atom and hydrogen to second carbon atom, product will be 1 bromopropane. And if bromine gets attached to central carbon atom and hydrogen to first carbon atom, product will be 2 bromopropane. According to anti-Markovnikov's rule, because peroxide is used, this product is obtained, therefore it will be major product and this will be minor product. So, explanation of anti-Markovnikov's rule, presence of peroxide, which is also called as peroxide effect, propene plus HBr in presence of peroxide, 1 bromopropane as a major product and 2 bromopropane as the minor product.